Hello, everyone. This is Ibrahim Malik, the digital tutor. Excited to announce that my new Udemy course, AI for Legal Contracting, Drafting, and Transactions, is now live. If you have been curious about how AI can streamline legal workflows without needing to code, this course is for you. In this training, you'll learn how to automate contract intake, drafting review, and compliance using modern AI tools. We start with the evolution of legal technology and what AI can and cannot do in law, right? Then we dive into the contract autonomy, contract life cycles, and the limitations of generic AI models. You'll get hands on experience with retrieval augmented generation, RAG, fine tuning agentic workflows, and building a RAG powered legal assistant. We also explore legal specific platforms and walk you through a complete AI powered legal automation project. This course is tailored for lawyers, paralegals, legal assistants, legal operations professionals, business owners, and consultants. You don't need any prior AI or programming experience. A basic familiarity with contracts is helpful, but we can cover all the fundamentals step by step. You'll have access to our 5 hours of on demand video, downloadable resources, assignments, mobile and TV access, right? Lifetime enrollment, and a certificate of completion. Most importantly, you'll work through interactive labs that help you build AI workflows you can adapt to your own practice. By the end, you'll know how to draft, summarize, and review content using AI and how to implement AI responsibly in your organization. AI isn't going to replace lawyers, okay? But as Axiom's Law's General Counsel points out, AI savvy will replace those. Early adopters are already using AI to save time and reduce risk. So learning these skills now will give you a competitive edge. If you're ready to accelerate your legal workflow with AI, click the link in the description to enroll in the full course. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Next up, we'll share quick tips on using end-to-end to automate your inbox, whether you are launching your AWS AI model or automating complex workflows. Expect step-by-step playbooks, real-world demos, and pro cheats. Thank you for watching. I'll see